A $20 million 1995 McLaren F1 just became the most expensive car sold this year. Whoa, $20 million on a McLaren F1. Is this not the car where you sit in the middle? Is that this one? You do. Yeah, that's so cool, man.
So this is an original. No upgrades have been made. This is factory, just like kept in pristine condition. And yeah, did you get it?
The stunning gavel price makes the supercar the most expensive F1 all time and also represents the high water mark for a vehicle at auction this year. I know it's an iconic car for sure. With that, I mean, it's called F1. You drive in the center of it. The F1 is considered by many to be the first hypercar. Just 106 were built between 1992 and 1998. It's among the most prized vehicles in the world. This particular example is chassis number 29. It's the 25th of 64 road cars. That's interesting. It's 029, but it's the 25th out of 60. Okay. From the production run, according to the auction house, it's finished in Creighton brown paint job, which is offset by an elegant light brown and tan interior. Originally sold to a collector in Japan, the car remains in as-delivered state. No changes have been made since it left the factory, and it has just 243 miles on its V12 engine. 243 miles is all that he drove.
And the reason why people love this car is because it's considered the first hypercar.
Yeah.
So there's supercars and then there's hypercars.
Right, yeah. It gets to another level.
And this just still looks amazing.
It looks great today. Yeah,
it's the color and everything.
Totally holds up. This is one of those situations where you get car collectors who make the claim, hey, these are investments. Hey, I'm not just buying these things because I'm trying to show off, but they're real investments. Like, this is one of those examples. I mean, you could show off in the meantime. You could show off for 200 miles or whatever you drove it for. But whatever the original purchase price was, I don't know what it was, $1 million or something. I'm not sure. You hold on to it for 20 years, and all of a sudden, that's 20 million.
Yeah.
And you got to look at it and enjoy it to a certain extent, assuming you have space to store it.
Sure.
And so it does work out sometimes. I don't even know if it was $1 million new. Maybe you can give us a quick Google. I'm curious what this guy's return was, assuming he bought it new in 95 and sold it for 20. You got to go, like, I guess original. Price? Yeah, I guess you would have to write original price. What it was originally sold for. Oh, here you go. What did it cost? Yeah, 94 is fine. It'll be roughly the same. 815,000. Yeah.
Yeah.
The fastest car at the time was 850,000. So he turned 815,000 into 20.5 million in 26 years. Should he have bought real estate or should he have bought the car? I guess it depends where the real estate was.
Yeah.
But the car seems more fun for some reason.
Yeah.
Well done. Congrats.
Yeah, good for you.